It's the very first time I'm hosting the CJ Cole Professorship, and sustainability and the future of education is near and dear to many of our hearts. So I'm really looking forward to what Professor Justin Dillon has to share.
I was honoured to be appointed the CJ Cole Professor of Education, the 16th in a series. It's a great honour to be here, and it's important for me to take the opportunity to help to develop relationships between UCL and NIE.
CJ Cole was a prominent lawyer and philanthropist. His legacy in education is most notably recognised through the CJ Cole Professorship at NIE. The program not only enhances the academic environment at NIE, it also fosters international collaboration as well as the exchange of cutting-edge ideas and practices.
Cole was a man of strong determination. He was a man of few words and believed in the power of education to uplift the underprivileged.
It's becoming increasingly clear that we really are facing a key crisis in climate change and sustainability.
Please join me in welcoming Professor Justin Dillon to stage.
Schools and teachers have a critical role because education has to be one of the key ways in which we move towards a more sustainable future. To solve that environmental problem. It would be long-term, it would be topic-based, it would be place-based, it would involve technology, it would involve young people going into the community more often than they do. We know that teachers are very keen on teaching children about the environment, and we know that young people are very keen to learn. The challenge is teachers knowing what pedagogy is appropriate. What is needed is materials to help teachers to teach about climate change and sustainability more effectively. So the challenge is there for you and us to work together to make the world a better place than it is today.
The talk by Professor Dillon was wonderful, and I think there is a need to talk more about climate change education in our school curriculum.
I think in my school, we are already doing a lot of things. Being a pilot school for the MOE Eco-Stewardship Program, I will need to give more thoughts about how can we make a greater impact to other schools that are in their beginning stage in this journey.
This is one of the water bodies used for our geography lessons, where we take water samples from here and test for the water quality in Secondary 1.
This morning I visited the Commonwealth Secondary School where I saw outstanding work, and it just shows what can be done, and it's an inspiration for all the 300 or so schools in Singapore. Major changes can take place in the curriculum and in the school grounds.
Right.
It seems evident that the current education system hasn't been effective in preparing people for the challenges that we face. So we need to have change. We need to see big changes in society, big changes in education, and teachers are critically important in driving forward education change and helping to improve society for the betterment of all people.